Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jerika. If you're new here, welcome. I would like to thank Luvwin for sponsoring this video, y'all. They sent me this beautiful wig that you see here, and I am in love. So Luvwin is a hair company that specializes in HD wigs. Yes, they make all wigs, and they have these undetectable glueless wigs, y'all, and that's what we are reviewing here. The wig is pre-bleached, lightly pre-plucked. It has 4 combs in there. It has an elastic band. So I'm just showing you guys the construction here, and this little adhesive you see helps keep your wig on. It was lightly pre-bleached and lightly plucked, as I mentioned earlier. So this is a wig you can just grab and go, you guys, if that is your thing. If you like 13x4 wigs, it's 180% density, invisible HD Swiss lace, 100% virgin human hair, y'all. It is the deal. So these are the items that came in the pack with the hair. So you got a few freebies. So if you want to see more about this wig, then make sure you guys keep on watching. All right, you guys, so we are starting looking like a boiled egg. Well, we ain't even got our we don't even got our wig cap on, but I wanted to show y'all how I do my hair, because a lot of people ask me, like, how do you get your wig so flat? And I've stated this before, but my hair is in 4 plaits, y'all, because I cannot braid. So I have a plait here, and then 2 in the back, and it's just in this low ponytail. It's in a low ponytail in the back. And I'll just put on a wig cap and it'll lay up flat against my head. Like, okay, now we are looking like a boiled egg. I would like to thank Luvwin for sponsoring this video. Y'all, this wig is so out of my comfort zone. If you know, you know. So I really wanted to do this because it's out of my comfort zone. It's not something that I would usually do. First of all, my only concern with this wig is that it's a 13x4 closure. My OG subscribers know I do not do 13x4 closures, because with the way that my hairline is, it's like, look, I don't got time to be gluing my edges down and getting them snatched out. So, but their wigs are glueless. All they sell is wigs on their websites and undetectable HD lace. So I figure I might be able to get away with it for this. So let me cut this first. Let's just see what we come up with. And it does have some combs. Okay, so this wig cap is very small. So I'm gonna have to, oh yeah. This wig cap is very snug. So, and like I showed in the beginning of the video, it has those adhesive lines to help it really stay to your head, and it has combs. So wow, y'all, I ain't even did nothing to the wig. Yet. All I've done is just put it on my head, and I'm actually liking it already, and I ain't even did nothing to it yet, y'all. So as I showed in the beginning of the video, it is lightly pre-plucked. Lightly meaning, if you wanted to look more realistic, you would need to go through and pluck it some more, which I'll probably end up doing at some point if I can get this to work properly, I should say. Because yeah, like, see what I mean with 13x4 wigs, like with the way my hairline is, like all of my edges will be out. I mean my sideburns. So that's fine though. That actually make it look more natural. So I'm gonna try and get this wig together, y'all. Like, we gonna see. Normally when you glue your wigs down, you would cut the lace last, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut it first, because I'm using a glueless method, so I shouldn't have to do any of that, which is kind of weird. I kind of feel a little bit off doing this like this, because it's been so long since I've had to cut some lace, y'all. So let me go ahead and cut the lace and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so when they said this wig was glueless, like, y'all, it's tight. It ain't coming off. So let me just, yeah. This wig ain't coming off. So like I said, the sides are probably the only thing you'll need to add some adhesive to, just because of the flaps. But if it wasn't a 13x4, you wouldn't have to do anything but just style the wig. All right, y'all, so the wig is on, the sides are down. Let me get this out the way. Actually, now that I think about it, I probably might cut the sides off, to be honest, because like I said, with the way my hairline is, the sides just don't do it for me. So we're going to part this down the middle. I'm going to do the middle part. I really want to do a middle part. So I was thinking about putting some curls in this, and I'm just loving that this is completely glueless, like completely glueless. So this is how it's looking. I think I'm going to put a little bit of layers in it real quick and curl it away from my face. So let me do that. I don't usually, I don't even know if I'm gonna do baby hairs, y'all. Honestly, lately I haven't really been doing baby hairs. So when you pluck your wig really well, you really don't even need them, honestly. Y'all, since I added the layers and curled it, I am in love. Look at this. She is stunning. She is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. She is glueless. She ain't going nowhere, y'all. These highlights look so good now that the hair, I don't know what it was about with it being straight, but with it curled, sis, she is perfect. I love her. I love her. I love it. I wasn't too sure about this wig, y'all, because like I said, it was so far out of my comfort zone, like so far out of my comfort zone. But now that I've styled her and put some layers in her, yes, yes, indeed. I love it. So I'm going to have to pluck her a little bit more, try and figure out what to do with the sides, because like this side is glued down. Like it's, like I said, it's a 13x4 wig, so I don't usually do that. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to finesse that. But y'all, I love it. I love her. Oh, perfect summer wig. Perfect summer wig. Perfect vacation wig. Not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. So I just really like this wig. I just think she's really cute. She's a perfect length for a summer bob. So y'all, yes, all the information will be down below in the description bar. And again, thank you Luvwin for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful wig. I love her. But if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Lemonade, and TikTok. But that is it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.